Okay, let's talk about the second most fundamental tools in Photoshop, the layers. What are layers? Let's imagine them like transparent papers. Okay, let's get access to layers, window, layers, or F7. Here you have the layer window. You can create new layer. Here, create new layer, new transparent paper. You can, of course, hide a layer or show it. Here you remark some squares, green and white ones. It means there is nothing here. You can create new group to organize your layers. Group 1. Here you go. Here you remark we cannot control this background layer. Why? Because it's locked, obviously. To unlock, double click. Okay. Here we go. Now we are free to manipulate it. You can, of course, delete a layer. Here we go, Control Z. Or you can lock it using one of the options here. Here you have the full lock, lock all. Here we go, unlock. Here you have lock position. You can change its position. Here you go. Okay. Unlock. You can click, drag. Here you go. Control Z. Here you can lock the transparent pixels. We can't edit them. Or look the image pixels. We can't edit it, but we can, of course, change the position. Or you can look using the artboard's look. Okay. You have also the opacity. Opacity. Here you go. And the fill. So what's the difference between those two? We can see the difference when we will use our layer style. To add one, you can click here and add, or double click on the layer here and add layer style. Here we go. Let's see. Here you have this effect here. You remark this effect. When you change the fill, here you go. Even if you go to 0, you have always your effect here. Remark the difference. When we change opacity, all of them will disappear. The effect and the layer. Here we go. Here you can add, of course, a selection or layer mask. Let's see. Let's add layer mask. What's the use of this layer mask? Let's take our brush tool. It allows us to draw brush tool. Okay. And let's use a black color. Let's color here. Click, drag, and it disappears. Now remark what will happen in our layer mask. Here we go. Black, dry. Now let's invert those colors using X or this button here. I prefer X. Let's color with the white color, and we got our image back. Of course, you can transform this draw here to selection by using click, control, and click. Here you go. You can invert the selection, select, inverse. Here you go. Your selection here. Of course, you can show by clicking out. Here you go. Control D, deselect, X. Here you go. You can draw again. Alt, because here we have shown the layer mask. Here you go. Of course, there is another layer mask available here. We call it vector mask. It has the same role, but we won't use the brush tool. We will use the pen tool. We will draw here using our pen tool. We will see this. Here we go. Here you go. Click, drag, maintain or click, and drag, click, maintain, drag. Okay. Let's close. Here we go. Of course, you can link two layers. Click in this layer, maintain shift, select the second layer, then you can link them. If you link two layers, you can displace them as you wish by selecting only one of them. Here, remark. Here you go. Delete this. Remark the anchor. If you click on one, the other will be selected automatically.